Hey guys, Kenny over at Phillips RV. I'm going to show you this 2021 GEO. It's a 21 QBS. So if we come over here, you have a power tongue. And then we've got two propane tanks inside. Your battery is behind the propane tanks. You have a pass-through basement here, and it is solid up top and all around. Don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. Out here you have a cable antenna hookup and a TV mount, so if you did want to come outside you can mount your TV and bring your awning out. Your hot water heaters in here. Got a full spare just in case. This is a 30 amp. Your plug's in here. It just pulls out. You've got your sewages down here. This is your fresh tank fill. And then you've got your city water connection here. You can hook up cable or satellite. You can get a satellite for your entertainment. Other side of your pass-through here. So you got two access. Take you inside real quick. So right here you have your bedroom area, queen size bed, and you can pull these curtains so you do have some privacy there. Then you have your couch. It is a jackknife, so if you did need to sleep another one, you can pull that out. You have a table back here. We just store it back here because it's easier. But if you wanted to eat or anything, you could pull that out and put it right in front of the couch here. You have a mount here for your TV, all your hookups. This controls your speakers. You have indoor and outdoor, so you can pick which zone you want to go to. Your bathroom is in here. Nice stand-up shower. There's your fridge and freezer. It is a camping fridge, so it will run off gas or electric. It's your microwave. Nice little microwave. You got 3 burners on the stove. Little oven here. And then you've got some storage down here. Also under the bed you have a little bit of storage. So if you have to fit any of your belongings, pillows, blankets, you can always throw them under there. If you guys have any other questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.